Deciding where to host your UGC portfolio online can be quite overwhelming. So today we're going to dive into setting up your UGC website, as well as diving into why I think websites are the better option and how to create it. My name's Luke, I've been a UGC creator for the past 2 years, and this is part 4 in my UGC 101 series. Unfortunately for me, this video is not sponsored by Squarespace, so I don't have a code or referral link for you to go and click on. However, that does mean that I am promoting Squarespace because I generally find it the most intuitive and it's just my favourite place to build websites online. I've built websites across various different sites, Squarespace, GoDaddy, Wix. For me, Squarespace is just the easiest one. So when it comes to putting your UGC portfolio online, you can either go through a website or you can post it to your social. If you're already a creator and you're working with brands consistently, you're probably posting to your socials anyway, because brands may well have paid you to post it onto your social as well as their own. Alternatively, you can post it directly to your social. You're giving away money there because you should be getting paid for posting it to your social, so it's entirely up to you how you want to navigate that world. But this is why I think it's easier to have a UGC website that you can send brands to when you're reaching out to them. This website should have your portfolio of your best work and everything like that, and it should really display your personality, because UGC is personal about the creator. Brands want to work with people that align with them. So I think a website is the better option than posting it onto a social media platform. Also, if you're hosting it on TikTok and the brand you want to work with primarily use Instagram, or vice versa, it's just less appealing for the brand, which is why a centrally managed website that is yours to control, I think it's just the better option. So with that being said, let's dive into the 3 main parts about our website, because this does not need to be long and it does not need to be difficult. I wanted to make a 1-pager for my UGC site. So as soon as you land, you have immediately got, bang, my headline, why you're here. I'm a travel and lifestyle UGC creator, photographer, and filmmaker. I wanted to include the photographer and filmmaker because I sell them as additional services. You then scroll down a bit and you are immediately greeted with details about me. And this is where I say you want it to be personal. I wanted to really give them a sense of my personality in this part of the website. A really nice friendly photo of me on holiday. Nothing staged, nothing posed, nothing dramatic. Just, nice holiday photo and a bit about my personality. Next section is the services. This is where I'm then going to be advertising specifically what I'm offering. You want the options here to be the things you really want to work with. So I'm a travel and lifestyle creator. I want to work with tour companies, accommodations. I also want to do UGC campaigns, and I offer photography packages. Those are the 4 things I've got on here because they're the big fish that I want to aim for. And as you can see, we've got some examples of work. These are interlinked because that is a photography piece I did for the company that I made this UGC piece for here, showcasing their tour. Now the next section is my previous work, and I encourage you to steal my idea here of using video on your website, because I've got it on auto loop, muted, and autoplay. And it's just, I think it's a really clean way of showcasing UGC pieces. If you do want to do this, just make sure it's not too high of a video quality, because it will make your website harder to load. But I think this is a really clean way of showcasing pieces across a broad range of genres. So these are actually pieces in here. Some of these are genres that I have not advertised up above, but they may scroll down and see, oh, he actually does do a bit of adventure clothing. Let's reach out to him. You want your intro and you want your portfolio to be the 2 main bits that they are coming first, because 9 times out of 10 you're probably sending brands to your website, which is why at the bottom of the site I've got my get in touch form, again with another great piece of UGC here, an example of some photography, and then the form that brands can fill out to get in touch with me. As I say, 9 times out of 10 you've probably sent them here, so they've probably already got your contact details. So this is more if people have naturally found your site. If they've gone on your socials and they've seen, oh, he does UGC, let me have a look at his website, or they found you online. However they found you, that's why the form is here. But I've put it at the bottom of the page because I'm aware 9 times out of 10 I'm going to have sent brands to my website, not them find it naturally. And that is it. Nice and simply, that's how you put together your UGC portfolio. Go get your favorite creators Squarespace discount code, sign up for Squarespace, and use this, because this took me 4 hours to put together. So easy, so simple. Show off your personality, show off your best pieces of work, and give them a way of contacting you. Easy as that. It does not need to be complicated. And for those of you that are questioning whether the investment into a website, because you could host it for free online, you should make back what you're paying for the website within 1 or 2 jobs, depending on how much your rates are. 1 or 2 jobs, and you can make your money back. It's a worthwhile investment. Anything else you want to know about UGC? Drop it in the comments below.